Hey guys, welcome back. Episode 2 of Foreign Car Game FCG. Well, I got my brake light for the back underneath my bumper in the center. Could move it up. I don't know what's going on. But I got new rims today. $100 for all four. They're Subie, but they're 17 inches. I'm riding 16s right now, stock wheels. What is it called? But they're horrible looking, you know. But I'm gonna get these repainted gloss black for this because I want red with black. But yeah, I got those for $100. Tires are shot. I need new tires, but I thought, why not just buy new rims and not waste money on new tires for my stock wheels when I'm putting new fresh ones on these. So I bought those. But today I'm just gonna install this. Easy. You just add a wire and hook it up to your brake lights that you got already, and just screw it into your bumper. So today I'm gonna show you that. Alright, so this kit came in the bracket that sandwich in between the plastic of your bumper. Alright, cheap ass wire. That's what it is. But came with these small screws for it. But right here's the thing. Not really built well. It was only $8, so I was like, hell yeah, I'll take it. Alright, so this wire, technically, alright, it's this long. Which, I do got more wire in the back, which I can just use for this, but really don't want to use it. Alright, so, alright, right off the bat. One's bent. This one's not. You can see that. This one's bent straight. This one's bent out. I can just bend that right back in. Alright, sweet. So, I'm gonna go ahead, assemble this. There's like a sleeve within it where that metal mounts to. That hooks up to. Alright. Gonna have us add a bolt in there. Both sides. So there's something to screw into. Wow, that's weird. Don't buy cheap shit. Definition of it. Alright, let's see here. Alright, sweet. They're in. So I'm going to take this bracket. I think it fits like this. Most likely. So I'm going to go ahead. Put screws in. There we go. Assembly is done. Oh, kind of crooked now. Hold on. There we go. Back on. Alright. There we go. Put the screw in. There. Screwing into the knot. Alright, there we go. That side started. Let me grab the other one. Start this one. There we go. Alright, see. The nut, the bolt sandwiches between the metal and the plastic. not gonna go too hard yet because I don't know where I'm putting it yet. Let me grab something quick. Alright, so right now how it looks, it's not gonna stay like that. I'm gonna paint it black. Well, the mount again black, because there's some parts of it that's not painted, like the screws. I would rather have them painted so you don't see them, but yeah, this is what it looks like right there. So there's two, hold on, there's two screws up here. You screw it from the top down into it, two on each side. You fit it the way you want it. So that's finished product right there. Then take this down. I gotta leave, so I close garage and everything. But well, if you like it, comment down below, and I'll put the link down below if you want that light. It's pretty cheap. It's like $8. Like, that's pretty cheap for the light. But you can mount it any way you want it. But that's about it. See you in the next video.